Did you know that grocery store marshmallows do not even come from the marshmallow plant? Right here in the garden, I'm looking at our marshmallow plant, and this plant is edible from the flower tips down to the roots. It is a great medicinal plant because of its high mucilage content. It's also known for its soothing properties. This is a plant that many herbalists recommend growing. The pollinators love it, so I love to have it in the garden. This is a perennial that will come back year after year. So if you want to make your own marshmallows from home, you will use the root of the plant. And if you dig it up, you want to make sure that you leave enough roots so that it is able to grow back. Add this one to your garden to make all kinds of soothing remedies from home and even homemade marshmallows if you want.